Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Generative Code Art. I hope this video finds you well. In my previous video, I have created a pattern using linear gradients. So, in my latest video, on the eve of Sri Krishna Janmashtami, I am going to create an image of Lord Krishna and the visual for the same is here. As I have already created the image, so I have its code with me. And for the better understanding of you, I am going to comment them first. In this video, I have used different variations of Linewidth to build different parts of the images. So let's start with the code. As usual, I have used canvas tag with the property height, width and ID and a button tag with onClick property. Moving down toward the script tag, I have declared a canvas object, a context, an array with color elements and H, R and V, three variables to control the points inside the canvas. As of now, all variable declaration is completed. Let's move toward the function. Inside the function, I have used clearRect method along with two for loops. And inside the for loop, I have used stroke style property for defining the color of the strokes. As of now, none of the code is uncommented, so nothing will be visible in the browser. So, starting with the main part of today's video, I am going to uncomment the code written for the grid. So, save the code till now and save the grid in the browser. Now, starting from the top of the image, I am going to uncomment the code written for the turban of Lord Krishna. So, save it and view the same in the browser. In this, I have used three variations of Linewidth property. After that, I am going to uncomment the code written for the Krishna's favorite peacock feather. So, save the code and see the complete head part in the live server. Now, moving down toward the left arm of Lord Krishna, I am going to uncomment the code written for it and save it and view the same in the web browser. After that, I am going to uncomment the code written for the upper body part of the image. So, save and take a sight of it in the Open Live server. As of now, half of the image is done, so I am going to uncomment the code written for the lower body part of the Krishna. So, save it and see the changes in the browser. Now I am going to use a new variation of Linewidth having value 3 and going to uncomment the code written for the flute. So save it and see the changes in the browser. After that, I am going to uncomment the code written for the right arm of Lord Krishna and save it and see the changes in the live server. At last, I am going to uncomment the code written for the both the feet of Lord Krishna. So save the code and see the changes in the browser. The complete image of Krishna is ready now. Guys, if you don't want to see the grid lines between the images, so comment the code that I have uncommented first. So save the code and see the complete image of Lord Krishna without grid lines in the Open Live server. That's it. I hope you guys have understood how to use the line of different widths in the same image. If you like the video, please share as much as you can and comment on it to let me know how much you have understood whatever I have explained. And also don't miss to press the bell icon if you didn't subscribe it till now. Thanks for watching and see you soon with a new video. Happy Janmashtami, friends.